Healthy meals in a hurry.
Eating well on a budget doesn't have to take hours. With smart planning and a few kitchen tricks, anyone can whip up fresh, nutritious meals in just 15 minutes. In this guide, discover how to keep both your wallet and your body happy with delicious, quick recipes and time-saving strategies.
Plan ahead for efficiency.
Meal planning is the foundation of fast, budget-friendly cooking. Start by making a weekly menu using simple recipes and versatile ingredients. Write a focused shopping list to avoid impulse buys. Prep vegetables, grains, or proteins ahead of time so they're ready to use when hunger strikes and time is tight.
Smart shopping on a budget.
Choose inexpensive, nutrient-dense staples at the store. Beans, lentils, eggs, canned fish, brown rice, oats, and frozen vegetables are affordable and pack plenty of nutrition. Look for sales and consider generic brands. Buying in bulk and avoiding pre-packaged convenience foods can help stretch your dollar even further.
15-minute meal ideas.
Quick meals can be simple and satisfying. Stir fries with frozen veggies and tofu, veggie omelets, bean salads, and whole grain wraps with lean protein all come together in under 15 minutes. Experiment with seasonings and sauces to keep flavors interesting, and don't be afraid to mix and match ingredients based on what you have.
Balancing nutrition and satisfaction.
Aim for balance in every meal. Include a source of protein, whole grains, and at least one fruit or vegetable for lasting energy and fullness. Use healthy fats, like olive oil or avocado, in moderation. Portion control and variety are key to healthy eating, even when meals are quick and budget-friendly.
Building lasting healthy habits.
Consistency is what makes nutrition habits sustainable. Stock your pantry with essentials. Dedicate a few minutes each week to plan, and stay flexible with your meal ideas. By making healthy, affordable, 15-minute meals part of your routine, you support better well-being without extra cost or stress.